Today I am going to tell you amazing kitchen hacks which will help you a lot. Number 1, lemon freshness. To keep your cut lemons fresh, store them in a sealed bag or wrap them in plastic wrap and refrigerate. This prevents them from drying out and losing flavor. Number 2, quick ripening. Place unripe avocados or bananas in a paper bag with an apple or a banana. The ethylene gas produced by the fruits will speed up the ripening process. Number 3, no more tears. To reduce tears while chopping onions, chill them in the freezer for about 15 minutes before cutting. You can also cut onions under running water to minimize the release of irritants. Number 4, egg freshness test. To check if an egg is fresh, place it in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs sink to the bottom while older ones float. Number 5, easy garlic peeling. Microwave garlic cloves for 10 seconds and the skin will loosen, making them easier to peel. Number 6, perfect rice. Add a teaspoon of vinegar to the boiling water when cooking rice to keep the grains separate and prevent them from sticking. Number 7, ice cube tray magic. Freeze leftover herbs, broth or sauces in an ice cube tray. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a bag for convenient use in future recipes. Number 8, quick grating. Grate cheese more easily by applying a bit of non-stick cooking spray to the grater. This helps prevent the cheese from sticking. Number 9. Non-stick baking. Line your baking pan with parchment paper to prevent sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Number 10. Crispy microwave pizza. Reheat leftover pizza in a microwave with a cup of water. The steam will help keep the crust crispy instead of becoming soggy. Thank you.